we are here to review today a cookie, an Easter style cookie. So it's from Craig's Cookies in Toronto, which is, in my opinion, one of the best cookie shops in the city. So today they are doing, for Easter, a Cadbury Creme Egg cookie. It looks pretty small, I would have to say. But we're expecting a really good treat inside. Now, normally their cookies, they are a little bit bigger. They're a little more flat, sort of. Not super flat, but like a little more rounded out than this one. I believe because they had such a large object to cover, they probably, by the looks of it, like had to cook it in a muffin tin. But what we're expecting here to cut into is the Cadbury Creme Egg, as you know, with like the sort of fake looking egg inside, like the filling. Personally, I have to say, sorry to say, I never really liked Cadbury Creme Eggs when I was younger because I just found it to be too sweet. It was like really overly sweet for me to eat, so I could never even eat like a whole one of those. So let's see if they managed to pull this one off, because they've pulled off a lot of crazy stuff before, but can they pull off this? Also, I don't know how they bake these cookies without whatever is inside melting. Like, how does that work? I don't know. It is crazy to think of, because you'd think it would melt. Okay, we're cutting in now. Oh, I can already see a little bit on the knife. So, let's see together. Oh, they did it! I don't know how these guys do this. Like, honestly, I really don't. How does it not melt inside when the cookie is baking? It manages to stay intact. Look how good that looks. Like I said, I was never even a fan of this before, but that almost looks like a real egg in there. That is crazy. Trying this out now. Happy Easter, everybody. Okay. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is crazy. It is very, very, very good. That's unbelievable. I don't even know how they did this. It's mind-blowing. It is very, very sweet. Like I said, I remember it being this sweet. It still is like you're gonna have a sugar rush after eating this. I gotta get a little more of this center part here just to try it. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't give this to your kids if you have them, because they'll be bouncing off the walls with this one. Honestly, I'm rating your Cadbury Creme Egg cookie. I gotta say, you blew my mind keeping this intact inside the cookie while baking it without melting it. The saltiness to sweetness ratio, just how decadent of a treat this is. I'm sure people will be coming back next year for this treat. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Craig's Cookies. Unbelievable. Value for money? It's crazy to say, but like, I would say it is $6. I would be happy to share this cookie with somebody, and I would be like, you know, you could split the cost, whatever. I'd be happy just eating half of this because it is very decadent and very sweet and rich. But I would say value for money. Yeah, I would say it is worth the $6 because what did they have to go through to keep this all together and make something so good? Would I say value for money is worth it? Yes, I would. Thank you for joining us, trying out this amazing, crazy cookie. And we hope you have a really happy Easter and you're with your family and loved ones and having a great time. Please hit the notifications bell, subscribe, follow us. We love to see all the new people who are subscribing, and we hope you follow along for our journey. Thanks so much.